Well, good evening. Another hot day across portions of the Mid-South. No cloud cover to help. We're seeing a very clear radar and satellite all across the Hattiesburg region tonight, and that's going to continue to be the case as high pressure has settled in. It's a heat dome is what you should call it, as it's just circling up this hot, humid air consistently and not moving any at all, just pumping up the humidity. That's going to keep things nice and sticky. And unfortunately, sweltering heat in place for the next several days. Our muggy meter, we're well within the muggy category. We were definitely in the just downright gross category earlier, but at this point, what does it really matter? It just is hot and humid, and unfortunately, no relief in sight. Tonight, we will drop down to the upper 60s. Clear skies overnight tonight. Winds will continue out of the south, courtesy of that high pressure heat dome at about 5 miles per hour. Our forecast map for tomorrow just showing that sweltering heat in place across most of Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, Florida as well. Showers and thunderstorms staying off well off to our west, some of which are severe this evening and likely going to be severe again tomorrow. Here closer to home though, our day planner for tomorrow, starting off the day in the upper 60s with mostly sunny skies, quickly warming up to the upper 80s by the lunch hour with sunny skies breaking into the 90s by late afternoon into the early parts of the evening. Some cloud cover beginning to move into the region tomorrow evening, portions of the late afternoon and into the evening. Winds will be gusty out of the southeast about 9 to 10 miles per hour. Actual temperatures tomorrow breaking into the low 90s. 93 is our high temperature for tomorrow. We'll see that high temperature around 3 or 4 p.m. But look at the dew points. Dew points are well up into the 60s. That, of course, makes things feel even more warmer than it actually is. Our real field temperatures approaching the upper 90s for tomorrow. So tomorrow mostly sunny. It's going to be warm, no surprise there. And then as we progress into the week on Thursday, a blend of some sun mixed in with some increasing levels of cloud cover that may help keep temperatures just a bit cooler, but certainly not much in the way of relief. But as we move into the latter part of the week, increasing cloud cover, still going to see those humid conditions though. Forecast lows for tonight, most of the region dropping into the upper 60s for our overnight lows. Points further south of Hattiesburg still going to remain in the low 70s as we move into the overnight winds out of the south between about 5 and 10 miles per hour. Mostly sunny tomorrow. Winds not going to bring us any relief at all. Still seeing those southerly winds bringing yet more humidity, warm, moist air out of the Gulf at about 5 to 10 miles per hour, pushing those temperatures up into the low 90s. And let's take a look at that Ridger Schwartz and Associates 7-day forecast. We can see here 93 is that high temperature for Wednesday, 92 on Thursday. Still in the 90s to close out the work week at 91. Our next chance of rain arrives Friday, just a very slight chance at about 25% chance. This weekend though, looking nice, but take a peek into the second half of the weekend into the early part of next week. Temperatures at 96 degrees, well into the upper 90s. It's going to be a warm one.